The implementation of a model of fulfilling GDPR and ethical requirement, it has been a really demanding effort. We have working really hard because we have to share GDPR, national legal frameworks developing GDPR, and an ongoing legal framework. In future, we will have to apply to the project repository, European Health Data Space Regulation and AI Act. It means that we have been working on a risk-based approach. We implemented a data protection impact assessment. We obtained lessons learned in security, human rights protection, privacy issues, and ethics on AI. Now we're implementing our lesson learned that will be verified at the end of the project. The main strategy for processing data in research activities should be anonymization. And of course, this has been our first choosing. But on the other hand, we have to consider all of the guarantees that must be implemented in terms of registration, traceability, and security of the platform. CHAIMELEON is a closed environment ruled, governed by technology and by different legal agreements in order to support our technology. We are applying the European Data Protection Authority's standards that are based in one phase of the identification, a second layer of anonymization in order to erase every metadata, every risk of re-identification, and a final risk analysis is implemented in order to be sure that we will achieve the goal. On the other hand, we are working in a challenge activity in order to submit our methodology to an effort experiment, and we expect to be successful on that. If you want to be a data holder or data access user of CHAIMELEON, you need to fulfill GDPR and ethical conditions by national law. On the other hand, we are adapting our data sharing agreement, our data transfer agreements for data holders to the requirements of the future European Health Data Space regulation and the policies regarding the data users to the same extent. It means at the end of the day that you have a binding compromises in order to fulfill the law, and an access committee will verify the conditions of any new dataset and any new data access request. This is one of the most amazing projects in Europe regarding health and healthcare. We are working with patients, for patients, and we are developing tools for prevention, diagnosis, and treating of cancer disease. They are based on AI tools and data analytics, and for sure they will be really relevant for promoting research, innovation, and entrepreneurship in the European Union.